In this video, we will create a short quiz and look at the quiz management options together. This is the quiz setup page. To save time, I have already populated some fields. Fields with a red star are required. It's always a good practice to keep the quiz title and the corresponding activity title consistent. Write a description about your quiz. For publish date, I tend to use publish quiz manually most of the time. And keep in mind, students do not have access to unpublished quizzes. Enter a quiz due date and choose time limit. If you indicate a time limit, students will have to finish the quiz within the allotted time. And when time runs out, their response will be automatically submitted. This is a low-stake quiz, so I'm going to leave time limit to no. And as for attempt limit, I'm going to give my student unlimited attempt. For score recording setting, I'm going to choose record highest score. Question display, I will choose all questions on one page. I do not need shuffle questions for this low-stake quiz. View submissions. If you choose yes, this quiz will give your student the opportunity to view questions and their answers. And then the following setting will further define what they could see. I'm going to choose show correct answers and feedback after submission. The feedback refers to predefined feedback for specific options. Okay, now I'm ready to click Create and add questions. I'm going to add a new question. And then the first thing to choose is the question type. Multiple choice is likely the most frequently used close-ended question type. Here I'm going to enter the question. Answer type. This one has only one correct answer. Choose one correct answer. You will need to indicate the correct answer so that the system can automatically grade students. I'm going to shuffle choices. And this is the feedback I was talking about earlier. You could provide pre-built feedback for each specific option. I'm going to skip this. The last thing to enter is the point value. This question, let's say, awards 10 points. Save this question, and now we are back to the question list. Let's add another question. This time, we choose short answer. Most of the time, teachers will need to grade short answer questions, unless you check this box. In this case, students will receive full points once they submit something. I'm going to uncheck and add the point value for this question. Save this question. Now I can continue to add more and more questions. I want to quickly show you how to create a fill-in-the-blank question type. I'm not going to build the question, but I want to show you that you can click on this tip to see instructions and examples of creating fill-in-blank questions. And keep in mind, the fill-in-blank questions in CN are case-sensitive. Okay, we're going to cancel creating this question and hit done. So this is the creation of our quiz. To make the quiz visible to students, we need to click Publish and get it published. Now we are ready to go back to the previous tab. Select this quiz. And actually the system is very smart. The quiz is already selected. Now we should define the minimum points for completing this activity. This is the minimum points for students to receive a green check mark. So this quiz I had a total of 20 points. Let's say as long as students earn half of the points, they will complete this activity. Click Save Activity. Now we have complete the creation of this quiz activity. I want to point out that you can always go to Manual, go to Quizzes to create and manage existing quizzes. And remember, to edit a quiz, you need to unpublish the quiz first before you can enter the edit mode. And after editing, remember to publish the quiz to make it visible to your students. We also provide option for teachers to preview a quiz, to view quiz analytics once submissions are received, to download student responses into a CSV file, to duplicate a quiz, and print out a quiz, and of course, delete a quiz.